Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get dishes dry in the dishwasher. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to step in front of the camera here. Let me just turn my screen and I'll tell you a few useful and practical tips that will help you get your dishes to be dry in the dishwasher. You know, whenever you are unloading the dishwasher once it has finished, nobody wants to dry the dishes after you've already put them in the dishwasher. It almost defeats half of the purpose. So I'm going to give you some tips that are extremely useful and practical. Number one is to allow some space between the dishes. Now, as you can see, I have the dishes right here stacked in every slot. But if you want to allow them to dry, then you can try stacking them in every second slot instead of every slot. And if you stack them in every second slot, it allows more space for air to get between them, which actually will help them dry. Now, yes, obviously this means fitting fewer dishes in the dishwasher, but it will help them dry much faster. Number two is to use a rinse aid. In most dishwashers, there's going to be a spot for a rinse aid. So you can put it in over here. There's going to be a spot usually labeled for rinse aid, and sometimes you're going to have an option to press a rinse aid option on the dishwasher within the actual controls. A rinse aid will actually allow the dishes to dry much faster. Now, some people like using it and others don't. I personally don't use a rinse aid, but I mean, I have nothing against it. It's just not really in my toolbox of what I use. But if you use a rinse aid, the dishes will dry faster. Number three is use the heated dry feature. In many dishwashers, there's going to be a heated dry feature, which means that once the cycle is done, once the dishes are washed, then it's going to use heat in the dishwasher, and the heat will then try to dry the dishes. The heat will go for however long it is going to last, and then it will hopefully try to dry the dishes. They might not be completely dry, but it will help in the drying of the dishes. Now, take into account the fact that this will create a longer washing cycle, okay? Number four is once the cycle is completely finished, open up the end of the dishwasher to let some air in. So regularly, you would do your cycle, the dishwasher's closed. When it's finished, all that you have to do is make sure that the cycle is completely finished. Make sure it's finished, make sure the water's gone, make sure it's completely done. Just open it up like that, and you can just oftentimes leave it open like this, and that'll let the air in. And, half an hour of an open dishwasher will really dry out those dishes, okay? And it also lets out the steam and the hot air, which is even better for drying as well. Okay, number five is empty the bottom rack first. Now, here's the thing. If I am emptying the dishwasher when it's finished, and I start emptying the top rack, all the water from these dishes might fall down onto the bottom rack, which is going to wet these dishes. So what you always have to do, or what you should do, is empty the bottom rack first. And then this way, the water on these dishes will fall onto the tray of the dishwasher and go down the drain eventually. And then when you empty the top rack, the bottom rack is empty. So once again, the water, any excess water will fall onto the tray below and not onto the dishes below. Last but not least is number six, which is if you have a utensil drawer, use it instead of the utensil storage over here. So in this dishwasher right here, you can put the utensils up here, you can lay them flat. Okay? The other option is to place them inside of this sort of cubby over here, and they get placed like this. Now, when they're like this, they still mostly dry, but it does take them longer simply because they're touching each other, right? Whereas if I place them in the utensil rack up here, they're all going to be not touching each other, which allows them to dry much faster because there's more air between them. Okay? Plus, you take this out if you're not using it, and then you have more space to space out your dishes as well, to allow more airspace, like I said in one of the earlier tips. But that's basically it. That is essentially how to get dishes dry faster in the dishwasher. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.